Let's get this debris cleared first. I'll start cutting this section. Pumps are on, draining now. Pumps are working great, water's draining fast. I'm cutting through this section now. Clearing the last of this debris off the runway. Water level is dropping fast now, almost clear. Keep cutting, we need this fuselage section cleared. Debris is almost off the runway, looking good. For sharp metal on the fuselage. Load the big pieces into the truck. Keep it moving, guys. Fill that truck. Watch the bucket coming down. This old bird is finally getting cleared out. Watch it tear. Clear the drop zone. Load's good. Let's get the next section. This thing's coming apart faster than we thought.
The derelict cabin filled with broken seats and mold. First, remove the old seats. Then, deep clean the interior. Install new lighting and wiring. Lay new flooring, and install modern seats. The transformation is complete. The once destroyed cabin now features modern seats, fresh flooring, and bright lighting. Looks perfect. Ready for passengers.
Prepped. Bring the replacement. Engine mounts are secure. She'll hold. Good work. Now for the final coat. Careful with those cables. This aisle is tight. Got it. Handing you the main power line. Lights are stabilizing, screens are booting. Excellent. Let's run the final checks. Lights look stable. Let's run the final checks. Copy that. All connections secure. Systems are coming online perfectly. She's almost ready to fly again. We did it. She's looking better than ever. Couldn't have done it without you, boss. One last test and she'll be ready for the skies again. Let's fire it up. All right, bring him in. Let's get this area cleared. Copy that. We're on it. This excavator, good to go. Great. Let's get the trucks unloaded.
Installing new glass panels. Repairing the control tower. Restoring electrical systems. With walls rebuilt and new glass panels installed, the control tower stands repaired. Restoring the electrical systems brings the entire airport back to life. The once abandoned airport now stands restored and ready. Walls rebuilt, glass installed, power flowing, and the control tower repaired. Rebuilding walls to restore the terminal's strength. Installing new glass panels for modern functionality. Restoring electrical systems for reliable power throughout the terminal. Installing new glass panels to modernize the terminal windows. Repairing the control tower to ensure safe and efficient airport operations. Rebuilding walls and restoring the airport terminal to its former strength. Installing new glass panels to modernize the entire facility. Repairing the
Flight's on time. Let's move.
Okay, but I need coffee first.
Look at that sunset light.
Yeah, it makes the terminal glow.